My name is Samuel James Price, and every single day I go make a show called The Crypto Lifer Show. I'm the Crypto Lifer. People know me as the Lifer. I breathe life into cryptocurrency. I breathe life into every situation of your life. I stay positive no matter what, and we push forward with the speed of light. I also like to show you kind of the new partnerships, big things that are happening, and behind the scenes connections that are being made as we rip through this market into the next bull run. So Ethereum liquid staking protocol Rocket Pool deploys on ZK Sync ERA. We talked about Rocket Pool back when it was 25 cents. Ethereum liquid staking protocol Rocket Pool deployed on ZK Sync ERA. This will make it cheaper to interact with its native liquid staking token. Ethereum staking provider Rocket Pool is deployed on the ZK Sync ERA network. This will be the first Ethereum liquid staking protocol to deploy on the newly launched network. It joins 58 projects that already live on it. By operating on ZK Sync ERA, Rocket Pool users will be able to move its tokens RETH faster and cheaper, enabling a more user-friendly experience in DeFi applications. Rocket Pool is already live on Ethereum Layer 2 networks, Optimism, and Arbitrum. This is another exciting step in our mission to lower barriers to entry and ensure everyone can participate in Ethereum's proof-of-stake system. Nick Ashley, marketing manager at Rocket Pool. By holding Rocket Pool's RETH on ZK Sync, users will continue to earn rewards backed by the most decentralized liquid staking protocol, while also enjoying ERA's faster speeds and lower transaction costs. It's all about those ZK rollups, everyone, and people are getting down and figuring it out. We talked about Rocket Pool. We have a video all about Rocket Pool we made months ago, a scripted video with amazing graphics to break up and show you what's happening in the space. That's amazing. Olive oil producer issues first euro stablecoin denominated bond on Obligate's DeFi platform. The debt sale was the first of its kind for the French sustainable agricultural business. Lamar Olive Oil has issued an on-chain bond using Obligate in a first for the sustainable agricultural industry. The Switzerland-based decentralized finance platform said Thursday the French company's bond is the first issuance to be denominated in membrane finance Euro-E, which the company says is the only EU-regulated crypto stablecoin. The underwriting and structure process, including credit evaluation and ongoing risk monitoring, was conducted by Obligate's credit rating partner, Credora, the company said. Obligate, which is built on Polygon blockchain, helps small and medium-sized enterprises by providing a safe and transparent way of issuing, tracking, and setting debt. The threshold to issue bonds lowered. Companies in developing and emerging markets can gain increased access to funding. Smart contracts replace the role of the issuer, paying agent, and the settlement layer of traditional bond issuance. That's like insane. The fact that they're actually doing a bond in a European stablecoin with an olive oil company. We're going to change the world, and you're going to do it one step at a time. Sui Blockchain signs multi-year deal with Red Bull Racing. Sui will roll out a series of digital experience for racing fans over the coming months. Sui, whose blockchain went live less than a month ago, has signed a multi-year deal to become the blockchain partner of Formula One's Oracle Red Bull Racing team. The blockchain's native token Sui rose by 1.7% before receding on the news. This is not Red Bull's first foray in the crypto industry. Last year, it signed a $150 million deal with derivatives exchange Bybit. The team said Sui will roll out a series of digital experiences for racing fans over the coming months. Sui's token was issued on May 3rd and debuted at $135 before being sold at between 0.03 and 10 cents, and it's currently trading at 97 cents. So people made a massive gain that got in on the lows, and they probably sold it off. That's why I didn't get into Sui yet. I've been waiting for it to kind of do its retracement. It's all over. I'm over it, and I know what's happening, but I'm basically waiting for it to kind of find its space. I have it in this falling wedge. Eventually, the daily will come back down for one more move. I'm waiting for it to kind of figure out its way. If it can get back above a resistance and use it as support, Sui would be a nice move. Long term, maybe a great investment. I'm not ready to start DCAing into Sui yet. Sui, however you want to say it. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. The 4 hours suggest that we could get a bit of a move here, but it doesn't look amazing. It could even just get rejected by the top of the channel. So I'm not a huge fan yet, but it is starting to get that rounded bottom, and rounded bottoms pay the bills over time. We could possibly DCA on the dips on side of this bull before it starts to make a bigger move to the upside. Sui's definitely on my radar, and I believe it could make you some money. But right now, I don't believe this is the time. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I don't believe this is the time to jump on in to Sui.